Honor Metal collects many years of CCR design and construction experience of Honor Group and focuses on CCR business. CCR is used to produce copper rod, aluminum alloy rod, etc. It has a variety of corresponding capacity, and the design will be depend according to the needs of the client. We have turnkey business experience in all similar businesses and strong delivery teams to secure our clients' investment. The specific products are tilting melting furnace, tilting holding furnace, fixed melting furnace, fixed holding furnace, vertical furnace, reverberator furnace, melting and holding combination furnace, and so on. CCR can be divided into 2-roller type, 3-roller type, or mixed type to match different production capacities. Related supporting products and consumables have formed a complete supply chain. The copper rod continuous casting and rolling production line provided by Honor Metal combines the advantages and characteristics of similar equipment from American Southwire, German SMS, and Italian Proprietary. It can produce 8mm bright, low-oxygen copper rods with electrolytic copper or 100% scrap copper as raw materials. The capacity can reach 45 tons per hour. If electrolytic copper is used as raw material, the production line will be equipped with a vertical furnace and holding furnace. And when scrap copper is used as raw material, it will be equipped with a reverberatory furnace. The furnace maximum capacity can reach 150 tons. The molten copper enters the 5-wheel continuous casting machine through the launder and pouring pot, and then enters the continuous rolling machine through the flat traction, rolling shear, straightening, and feeding device. After multi-pass rolling, it will be coiled into circles through the high-pressure reduction cooling and washing device and the rear traction device. Aluminum alloy rod continuous casting and rolling production line mainly produces 1 series, 5 series, 6 series, and 8 series aluminum alloy rod, and the production capacity can reach 8 tons per hour, with the maximum capacity of the supporting furnace reaching 120 tons. Taking the aluminum alloy rod continuous casting and rolling production line as an example, the aluminum ingot is melted in the melting furnace, and the aluminum liquid flows into the holding furnace through the launder for composition adjustment, refining, stirring, and standing. Then it flows into the online degassing and filtering device for degassing and slag removal, and then enters the continuous casting machine to form into continuous casting billet under the action of the cooling system. The billet enters the induction heating device through the straightening machine, the flat traction, the rolling shear, and the bridge passing device. The induction heating device can ensure the process temperature requirement of the billet entering the rolling mill and has the function of heating and adjusting. Then the billet enters the continuous rolling machine after multi-pass rolling, and then enters the coiling device through the quenching device for continuous coiling. The full 2-roller type continuous rolling mills adopts cantilevered rollers, and the rollers are staggered horizontally and vertically. A large compression ratio is adopted during rough rolling, which gives the billet a large deformation at high temperature, so that the rolling state can achieve the effect of pushing, squeezing, and pressing so as to ensure the quality of the billet. Microtension or tension-free rolling is adopted during finish rolling. The frame adopts the principle of oil-liquid separation, which reduces the amount of emulsion circulation and the concentration ratio. The roller adopts a double groove design, which doubles the service life. Honor Metal has entered the world's advanced level with a low-oxygen copper rod and aluminum alloy rod continuous casting and rolling production line. The products are exported to South Africa, the Middle East, North America, and other regions. Welcome to visit our company and conduct technical discussions.